Data is no longer the problem. We have thousands of tools gathering it and putting it in nice little dashboards. But the real problem is, what do you do with that data? So I built Precurzor, a system that turns market signals into decisions for you. All you have to do is provide your URL for your startup, press enter, and Argon launches up. This is the AI co-founder brain that lives inside Precurzor, personal to your startup and to you. Right now, it is learning about what your startup does and what do you have to offer. Then it expands and maps the landscape, competitors, positioning, and where demand actually is. So now we have surface level view of the market, but this is just signals. Let's go to dashboard, see if we have anything. We do have a couple of things that Precursor is telling us, but I would like to go deeper. So let's run a full scan. Now what it does is it will go to your entire website, all the pages, sub-pages that you have regarding to your products and pricing and offers. And then it will decide to go look for your competitors and understand their market and how the market is shifting, how your competitors are doing. It will also look at the hiring your competitors are doing. It asks us for Gmail so it can run the larger scan in the background. Email like this saying your report is done. Let's click on it. Do our Zen mode. It is deciding the revenue and pricing is the thing for us to look at. We can go with something else, but let's just go with pricing right now. So it has 92 matching signals for something. Let's see what did it find. It is asking us to do expectations around usage and free tiers. So let's see the supporting signals. Okay, it is right that Lambda test is providing a free tier and Axiom $0 entry. So that makes sense for us as well to provide free tier or free test for people. So what should I do next? Of course, introduce a $0 base plan, but introducing and tracking is the part where Argon comes in. Tracking for $0 does not make sense with Stripe. Let's go with post hoc. The key is copied. I will not click on. I copy the key. It will run a post hoc integration. Once you act on this, you can plug in feedback loops. You can track outcomes, set up notifications like notification on Slack right now. You can have a daily notification to be sent to you regarding what is happening with this new strategy that you're trying out. Alongside that, let's see what it does. Okay, what are the KPIs for the user? Let's say what kind of users? Our highest intent buyers are obviously technical QA practitioners. So let's ask it to show us the leads. So we are getting actual users behind the signal, people already facing the problem. But on the hood, this is where it gets interesting. I am working on self-healing systems as part of my PhD research, and Argon is the applied version of that. It does not just give recommendation, it learns from what actually works, and it is personalized to you. Now let's just go and look at the leads page. Okay, these are the leads that the outreach is generated for. This is the dashboard. The dashboard is just the underlying layer, competitors, signals, and everything backing the decisions. The competitors that we looked at. The brief. Brief is generated from every single run. It also helps you give an understanding of the market and what Argon is trying to say and the decision that it is trying to base on. It has signals, recommended stuff that you should do, market pulls, live feeds, and alerts. So the thing is, everyone sees the same data. What matters is who learns from it faster and acts on it better. And that is what Precursor is built for.